Hi everyone, I'm Ofalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we have got the eighth kind of pronoun that is known as reciprocal pronouns. The definition of reciprocal pronouns is, you know, those pronouns which are used for the mutual interactions. Mutual interaction means they affect each other. Clear? So see, example is there: A affects B and B affects A. Whether in any activity, that is a good or bad, that is legal or illegal, that is nice or bad, whatever that is known as the affection. So A affects B, B affects A, and in the same way they affect each other or one another, are called reciprocal pronouns. They are used for mutual interactions. Now the reciprocal pronouns are two in number. One is each other, one is one another. So each other and one another has got the same meaning. Clear? Now I will give you an example for that. If I say, I like you, you like me. Now this is what: I like you, you like me. So this is what, that is A affects B and B is affecting A. Instead of saying that much long sentence, why we should not say we like each other? So you will be using the reciprocal pronoun each other in order to remove A from B and B to A. So you will simply say we like each other. And the second example I will give: he hates you, you ate him. He hates you. In the reaction, you do the same, you ate him. Instead of saying that much long sentence, why we should not say you ate one another? So this is what one another is called your reciprocal pronoun. So A affects B, B affects A. Instead of these all, you will be using the reciprocal pronoun. A affects B, B affects A, and they affect each other or one another. Saying that much long sentence, instead of that, you will be saying we like each other, and saying this long sentence, instead of that, we should say we hate one another. So each other and one another are the reciprocal pronouns. You make some more sentences: we support each other, we believe each other, we believe in each other. So means we have, then it has got more powerful belief. So that is known as the reciprocal pronoun. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.